Hey there, welcome back to Inspire Ignite, where we ignite your inspiration to achieve your goals. Today, we're diving into that could change your life. Have you ever of financial freedom, of free from the chains of financial constraints? Well, in the right place, because we have the solution the ChatGPT Store. This isn't another platform, it's a groundbreaking revolution in the world of online entrepreneurship. So come along, let's explore. The ChatGPT Store can pave the way to your independence. Let's ignite your journey towards financial freedom together. But fear not, because we're about to unveil the answer to your financial woes. This is where the ChatGPT Store comes into play. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the ChatGPT Store? Well, it's a marketplace that's teeming with opportunities for you to make money online. It's a hub where creativity, innovation, and technology intersect. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Imagine a bustling digital bazaar where you can offer your unique skills and services, or even sell products. Think of it as a virtual stage where you can showcase your talents to a global audience. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or an entrepreneur, there's a place for you in the ChatGPT Store. The ChatGPT Store leverages the power of artificial intelligence, particularly the ChatGPT model, to create a dynamic and user-friendly environment. It's a platform that's designed to empower you to monetize your skills and interests. And the best part, it's not just about making money, it's about creating value, solving problems, and making a difference. Now, let's talk about the potential of the ChatGPT Store for earning money online. The possibilities are virtually limitless. You can offer a wide range of services, from writing and editing to graphic design and programming. You can create and sell your own products, or you can collaborate with others to create something truly unique. You can even use the ChatGPT Store as a platform to launch your own online business. But here's the real kicker. The ChatGPT Store isn't just about making money, it's about gaining financial freedom. It's about breaking free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job and charting your own course. It's about taking control of your income and your life. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Are you ready to seize the opportunity and turn your dreams into a reality? The ChatGPT Store isn't just a platform, it's a gateway to financial freedom. By leveraging its power, you can unlock a multitude of opportunities to earn money online. But don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into some real-life success stories that illustrate the transformative power of the ChatGPT Store. First up, we have James, a freelance writer from New York. James was struggling to make ends meet until he discovered the ChatGPT Store. By using the platform's AI to help him write high-quality articles faster, he was able to double his output and his income in just a few short months. Next, we meet Sarah, an entrepreneur from London. Sarah used the ChatGPT Store's AI to automate customer service for her online store. This freed up her time to focus on growing her business. In less than a year, she saw a 20% increase in profits, all thanks to the ChatGPT Store. Then there's Raj from India, a software developer who created an app using the ChatGPT Store's AI. His app, which helps students improve their English writing skills, quickly became a top seller. Raj went from a struggling developer to a successful entrepreneur, all because he tapped into the potential of the ChatGPT Store. But it's not just these folks. Thousands of people around the world have transformed their financial situations using the ChatGPT Store. From teachers to artists, from entrepreneurs to freelancers, the ChatGPT Store has proven to be a powerful tool for generating income. And let's not forget the testimonials. We've received countless messages from users who are thrilled with the financial success they've achieved through the ChatGPT Store. They rave about how easy it is to use, how it's opened up new income streams, and how it's given them the financial freedom they've always dreamed of. So, as you can see, the ChatGPT Store isn't just a platform, it's a financial game changer. It's a tool that's empowering people around the world to achieve their financial goals. Don't just take our word for it. Check out these real-life success stories from individuals who have transformed their lives using the ChatGPT Store. The potential is limitless, and the time to start is now. From freelancers to entrepreneurs, the possibilities are endless. The ChatGPT Store is a treasure trove of opportunities, just waiting for you to discover. Now you might be wondering, how do I start? How do I navigate this vast platform and find the perfect fit for me? Well, let's break it down. First off, don't be intimidated by the variety of options. Instead, see it as a buffet of opportunities. There's a place for everyone, whether you're a tech whiz, a wordsmith, a creative mind, or a business savant. Your unique skills and talents are your keys to unlocking the potential of the ChatGPT Store. So start by exploring. Dive into the various categories available on the platform. You'll find a wide range of avenues, from creating and selling ChatGPT models to providing consulting or training services. Each category is a world of its own, brimming with potential. Take your time to understand what each one entails. Next, think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you skilled at creating engaging content? Consider developing your own ChatGPT model. Have a knack for teaching others? Offering training services might be your calling. The key is to find a method that aligns with your skills and interests. This way, you're not only earning money, but you're also doing something you love. Now, it's time for action. Once you've chosen your path, don't wait. Dive in, immerse yourself, and start learning. Remember, the more effort you put in, the more rewards you'll reap. It's not just about making money, it's about growing, evolving, and unlocking your full potential. Ready to take action? Here's what you need to do. Head over to the ChatGPT Store, explore the various categories, and choose the method that aligns with your skills and interests. It's time to embark on your journey to financial freedom. The ChatGPT Store is your starting point, your launchpad to success. The rest is up to you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Then, dive in, put in the work, and watch your bank account grow. Now, that's a future we all can get excited about. But it's not just about the financial rewards. It's about the freedom to live life on your terms, to chase your dreams without restraint, and to create opportunities not just for yourself, but for others as well. The ChatGPT Store is not just a platform, it's a catalyst for change, a tool for empowerment, and a doorway to a future brimming with possibilities. It's about more than just making money. It's about taking control of your destiny and shaping it with your own hands. It's about turning what you love into something that not only brings you joy, but also brings you income. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. The journey of learning new skills, of overcoming challenges, of growing as an individual and as an entrepreneur. The ChatGPT Store is a game changer, a revolution in the making, and you can be a part of it. You can be at the forefront of this revolution, shaping the future of online income generation and redefining what it means to earn a living in the digital age. So take the plunge. Start your journey with the ChatGPT Store today. Unleash your potential, explore new horizons, and transform your dreams into reality. This is your moment, your time to shine, your opportunity to create a life of abundance, a life of freedom, a life of success. Remember, success is within your reach. Seize the opportunity, harness the power of the ChatGPT Store, and let's ignite your journey to financial freedom together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep igniting.